Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We're going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, that is 15th December. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's begin by analyzing options open interest data. So the max main for 17th December weekly expiry contract is at 13,500 level. So if market was to expire on 17th December at 13,500 levels, then option writers at the strike is going to suffer the least amount of losses. And if we see the overall open interest data, you will see that more amount of calls have been written versus puts. Almost 2 crore 94 lakh shares of calls have been written versus 2 crore 62 lakh shares of puts. And highest amount of open interest in call strikes is at 13,600 strike, followed by 13,700 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest lies at 13,500 put strike, followed by 13,300 put strike. So it gives us a broad trading range of 13,800 to 13,300 for 17 December weekly expiry contract. And if you were to see what happened today intraday, you will see that around 46.86 lakh shares of calls were written versus 38.8 lakh shares of puts. And highest amount of calls were written at 13,600 strike, followed by 13,700 strike. And you will see that in the money strikes 13,200, 13,300, 13,450, 13,400, 13,500 strikes, they saw their open interest reduce. So call option buyers in these strikes would have booked their profits, while call option writers in those strikes would have booked their losses. And if we see the puts, highest amount of puts were written at 13,500 strike, followed by 13,400 strike. Now we're going to be analyzing Nifty spot on multiple time frames. So on the monthly time frame, Nifty is under control of buyers as it is trading above its open, which is at 13,062 levels. And today a new time frame opened, the weekly time frame, and for this week currently the market is under control of sellers below 13,571 levels. And if you see on the daily time frame, if you see the structure on 10th, we basically broke the structure for the first time. That is, we made a lower high and a lower low. And on 11th December, we made a higher high and a higher low. So we again went into an uptrending structure from price perspective of the daily time frame. And today as well, we made a higher high and a higher low. Even though today weekly time frame and the daily time frames their open is the same, because today's daily open and the weekly open is going to be same. And even though today market was under control of sellers intraday, however, you will see that broadly speaking on the daily time frame, it is still in an uptrending structure with a higher high and a higher low. And if you see intraday, today you will see that market today open with a gap up, and then it started trading lower, and in the eventually it retraced back the down move. And although it closed below its open, and we have a red candle for the daily right now as well as the weekly time frame, however, if you see the structure, we are still in a higher high and a higher low formation from simple price pattern perspective. And based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for tomorrow, that is 15th December. So above 13,558 levels, we can trade towards 13,597 levels, 13,630, 13,673 levels. And below 13,496 levels, we can potentially trade towards 13,472 levels, 13,439 levels, and potentially 13,396 levels. And the neutral price range is 13,558 to 13,496 levels. And conservative traders can refrain from making any trades in the neutral price range. However, aggressive traders can look for selling opportunities as well below 13,558 levels. Now we are going to be analyzing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen are all inside candles. So inside candles are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look for breakout in the direction of either direction of the high-low range tomorrow. So Adani Ports will look for buying opportunity above 472.5 levels, or will look for selling opportunity below 463 levels, and in between the high-low range will not be making any trades in Adani Ports. And if we see Apollo Hospital, we'll look for buying opportunity above 2390.45 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 2346.9 levels, and in between the high-low range will not be making any trades. Our third stock is Dabur. It's again an inside candlestick. So above 519 we look for buying opportunities, or below 512.3 levels we look for selling opportunity in Dabur. Our fourth stock is Havel. We'll look for buying opportunity above 830.65 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 822 levels. And in between the high-low range there will not be any trade. SBI Life will look for buying opportunity above 858.4 levels, or will look for selling opportunity below 848 levels. Our final stock is Tata Consumer Products. We'll look for buying opportunity above 583.1 levels, or will look for selling opportunity below 572 levels. So all these are inside candles, and inside candles are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look to initiate a trade in direction of breakout of today's high-low range. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that we are in a broad range of 13,700 to 13,300 levels based on the overall open interest data. And tomorrow, above 13,558 levels, we can trade towards 13,597, 13,630 levels, and potentially 13,673 levels. Below 13,496 levels, we can trade towards 13,472 levels, 13,439 levels, and potentially 13,396 levels. And max pain for 17th December weekly expiry has remained at 13,500 levels only. And our stock watch list for tomorrow are all inside candles, and they comprises of Apollo Hospital, Havells, Dabur, SBI Life, Tata Consumer Products, and Adani Ports. So we'll look for breakout in direction of in either direction beyond today's high-low range. If market trades tomorrow above today's high in these stocks, we look for buying opportunities, and if market trades below today's lows, which in tomorrow's context is going to be previous day low, we look for selling opportunities in these stocks. And finally, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Hit the like button, share this video, and do subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. And also check out the description section where you can find links to all our recent blog posts, and you can find information regarding various products that Samco offers to its clients. And finally, once again, hit the like button and share this video. Thank you for watching.